What is blockchain? Blockchain helps to trade and track virtually. Blockchain is similar to ledger concept and it is a shareable one. So, what is ledger? In general, ledger is a book in which things are regularly recorded, especially business activities and money received or paid. Blockchain records the transaction history virtually for a business, physical objects and non-physical objects. Physical objects can be vehicle, land and so on. Non-physical objects can be copyright, patents and so on. Advantages of blockchain. When a transaction is recorded, it cannot be changed by anyone. Less cost. Less risk. More security. Current transaction system disadvantages. The law and currency are different in different countries. Need of more intermediaries. More paperworks. Chance of tampering the physical objects. Less security. More time to finish the transaction.